can I help you? I would like to talk to you about Jesus Christ our Lord as no. Not there. Lady, mind me lick you down. We are no need to get so violent. We really just do. Wasn't you at the wedding of our mutual friend?
Never get away.
Hold on there. That was all the way in Brooklyn. Where you are do out here on Long Island. There's no river too long and no mountain too high to do the Lord's work. Well, obviously you waste your time. So, we're at the bachelorette party and I know you was getting a little familiar with one of the dancers. Aren't you married to Mr. Robert? Well, you don't want your neighbors to know that Patsy was having a rendezvous with one of